Question 17. Wei Ming read the book over 3 days. He read 1/5 of it on Wednesday. That means that he read 1 unit out of total 5 units. We have a model here. The total is 5 units. And he read 1 unit on Wednesday. And the rest is the remainder. I'll put a capital R. Then he read 5 out of 8 of the remaining pages on Thursday. This part is the remainder. And there are 4 units here. However, he read 5 out of the 8 remaining units on Thursday. Hence, I will slice each of this unit into 2 to make 8 units. And likewise, for this original 1 unit, I'll slice it into 2. Hence, the original 1 unit has become 2 units because I times 2. And the original 5 units, I will times 2 and that becomes 10 units. So the total now is 10 units. 5 out of the 8 remaining units is for Thursday. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 units is for Thursday. And the rest are for Friday. So these 3 units here, 1, 2, 3, is equals to 57 pages. Because on Friday, he read 57 pages. 1 unit will be 57 divided by 3. That gives us 19 pages. How many pages were there in the book? The total units is now 10 units. So we take 19 times 10. That gives us 190 pages.